Hi everyone, this video is to give you a progress update on Grotrax grass. I've just purchased about 400 square feet roll. I have a small patch that I needed to repair. I just killed old lawn. There were lots of weed, so I was just planning to install new grass. I have tried seeding, I have tried sodding. This time I thought to check out this product, and I've just installed it few minutes back. It was quite windy yesterday, so I did not do it. I just worked on preparing ground from past 2 days, added some soil and watered it for 2 days, and today I've just installed it. It took me about 45 minutes to install 400 square feet roll. It's in Pennsylvania. So I'll keep you updated on a daily progress and see how it goes. Thanks.